it's me again, Wong Aton, and we at the repair shop. You know, this is where we do everything we do with scooters. We repair all kind of scooters, you know, all kind of speed. We do upgrade as well. If your scooter is slow, you want to make it fast, I'm the guy. Okay. So right here we got this ice scooter here. I don't know if you can hear with the scooter. Every time the wheels spin. Ugh, horrible. So there's something going on here where the brake pads are causing this to happen. What's my job? My job is to find out why it's happening. It could be a situation where the wheel was not properly mounted and then it's causing friction to happen. As you can see, it's not spinning freely. I think the problem is very subtle. So the issue is with the brake pad itself.
Aren't you having any fun? Let's give them a closer look at it.
I think I'm gonna utilize you. Screw this when I tell you to. Okay, screw it gently. Okay, unscrew it. Okay, go ahead, screw it now. Gentle. Keep screwing, gentle. Okay, unscrew it a little. Okay, keep it like this. Let it go.
No sound. Oh, we gotta turn the music off.
Okay, now we're testing it. As you can see, the wheel is spinning freely. There's no friction causing it to stop. And we just had to be very gentle on how we attach the brake. So we have to attach it strong enough. Well, one thing I had to do is put an extra supporter down here to kind of support the screw that attach the brakes to the main frame. However, we don't want to put the brake in lightly where it doesn't stop when you need it to stop. So we need it to function properly. This is key. I'm gonna spin this and I'm gonna have you squeeze the brake a couple of times, and then I will spin the wheel again to make sure. Oh, but first, platform where you stand is completely a mess. We're gonna do a full body work and redesign it. Maybe a little painting job, but mostly a wrapping job. That's what we're gonna do here. If you wanna stay tuned with this project, you can find us on datwaymotors.com, where we're gonna post all of our videos. Also on our social media, you can check us on YouTube/Datway Motorz. You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you go. And the link is gonna be in the description where you're watching this video too. So stay tuned with us. If you live in the Boston and you have a scooter you wanna have us take a look at, maybe it's giving you some issue, I'm available on datwaymotors.com/repair and book a free diagnose. I'm available every day, every night. I don't sleep. Sleep is for normal people. If you're trying to upgrade your scooter, turn it from a tiny, slow thing to something that goes fast. We like to have a little fun. Hey, I like to have a little fun too. I don't judge. This is actually the motor. And this one.
Wow, much better.